Today, we're going to review the two ways to spell with the W sound. Let's practice this with a word. The word is win. Repeat. Elbows up. Let's tap that word. W, I, N, win. What was the first sound you heard in that word? W. I heard the W sound. I know there are two ways to spell with the W sound. There's W and WH. Both of those make the same sound. So how do we figure out which one to use? Most of the time, the letter W is used to spell the W sound. WH is only used at the beginning of words. It's more common, though, that this W is used when you hear the W sound. I will tell you if WH is supposed to be used at the beginning of the word when you hear that. So in this case, in win, we would be spelling that word with just the W sound. Now I'm going to build that word win. Remember, when we tapped it was W, I, N, W. I'm going to use the W for that one. I, N, win. Now I'm going to spell that back. W, I, N, win. Notice that time I didn't use the WH sound. Remember, I will tell you if WH is used for that word. The next word is the word whiz. Repeat, whiz. Elbows up, let's tap. W, I, Z, whiz. Now, this word starts with the W sound. In the letters, the digraph WH is used. So when I go to spell my word, I'm going to use that digraph. W, I, Z. Today, we practice spelling with the two different spelling options for the W sound. We learned that words are either spelled with W or WH, but most of the time, the letter W is used. Bye.